Hi all, I have a question to the farmers. Did you have a situation when you remember your the most profit season, but in the same time you cannot reproduce it because you don't remember all details of that season? For example, what fertilizers did you use, or how much fertilizers did you use, how much grain crops did you use? And I decided to implement the solution of that problem. And here you can see my web application login page. Let's log in and check how it works. Here you can see seasons page, but first of all I would like to check the state of my fields. I can do that on a different page, fields page. Here I can see information about my fields. It's a fields name, fields area, etc. And I can also create new field. I can edit existing field. I can delete field. And I can restore field. I have checked the state of my fields. So now I can go back to the seasons. On the seasons page we can see the two types of the season. First one is the active season. Active season is a season which is still in process, and as a result we don't have a realization of that season. The second one is a finished season. It's a season 2020 and season 2021, and it's our history, and as a result finished season have realization. And now I will go to the active season and to show you how it looks and how it works. So on the header we have common information about season. It's our realization and it's our costs, profit. At the bottom we have table which includes all fields which we use in season 2022. Let's check Samelovka field. I have opened the detail of Samelovka field and I can see the list of operations in this table. So I will go to the first operation, is a cultivation. Okay, we can see here details window, and first of all we can see operation type and we can see costs. We can also edit values by clicking edit button. Let's edit it. Operation type we can change to the different, but I will leave it like cultivation. Cost is our common cost. It includes our fuel costs and employee costs. On the right side of this window we can see weather information. We can put here rain count. We can put here snow and snow count, but I will leave it like this. Next field is air temperature, wind speed and air humidity. I will save my changes and close this window. Next operation is sowing. Let's see what we have here. We have here extra fields. For example, it's a culture field. We have wheat here. We can edit it and we can change the culture type. We can also add new culture to the system by this way. We just should write our new culture. I click add and I have add new culture window. We can write here any name of the culture or any type of the culture. Doesn't matter. I will save my changes. And as a result I have sunflower in the list, but I will return wheat Next field is about grains count per hectare. So first field is pieces, but second field is weight. I decided to write weight. We have 100 kilograms per hectare. And the next field is about fertilizer. Here you can see carbamide fertilizer, and if I will open this field, I will have possibility to update it. And we can also add new fertilizer in the same way into culture field. And we can see test 4 was added, but I will return it to the previous state. I can also add new fertilizer, and I can check it. I can write the count of fertilizers per hectare, but I will not do that. I will leave this window. The next operation type is review. We can see details of this operation. Every farmer can visit field and check its state. And as a result, we can upload images or videos. In current review we have only one image, but I will edit this review and I suggest to add extra images. We have new images right now. The maximum count of files is 3 files. I will save my changes and leave this page. Next operation is a spraying. We can also edit it, but we will see that we have same two fields. It's operation type and costs. And at the bottom we have extra fields. It's about fertilizer. And it works in the same way. I will change nothing here and I will close this window. Next operation type is a harvesting. We have nothing to change here, so I will close this window. Next review was a little bit later. Let's check it. We can also click to each image to expand it and to see it properly. Okay, we have checked it and we have harvesting operation. Harvesting operation has extra field. It's about harvest per hectare in centners. We have 40 centners per hectare. We will change nothing here and I will close this window. Farmer decided to add review during harvesting, and we will see the details of that review. In this review we have 2 video files. We can check how it works. We have a standard player. I will decrease sound. I can expand it, but I will not do that. Let's see the next video. Okay, let's close this window. We have checked our field Sameluka, and moreover we have harvest for the all fields. We just should complete our season. Let's do that. The common realization of each culture on each field is 19350. So there is a value of a common realization. Let's save it. After completing season, we have finished season, and we cannot go to the Sameluka and edit it because our season is already finished. We can just review each operation without editing. Moreover, we have possibility to download the report of this season. Let's do that. Okay, here we have a common information about our season. It's our realization, cost, profit, and after that we have information about each field. First field is a cherry. Next field. And the last one is Samaluka 10 hectares. We have two reviews here. First one we can see right now. We can see images. And second one, that's all. We cannot add videos into this report because it's impossible. So we have only images in review. After completing our season, we can go to the statistic page to check it. On this page we have information about our finished season. So on the left side we have financial graphic, chart, yeah, financial chart, and realization of that season, costs and profit. And on the right side we have harvest chart, and here we can see our cultures and harvest per culture for each season. To visit the season, what we need, it is not necessary to go to the season page. We just can to select our season 2021 and click it, and after that we will have it in the separate tab. We can do the same on the harvest chart. I will select season 2020 and we have it in the separate tab. Okay, I will show you how web application works with users. Let's go to the users page. Web application has private registration, and it is impossible to create account without existing account. So we will add our new user with helping current account. So I will go to Gmail, my test Gmail account. Okay, my test Gmail account is Alina Tester 21, and I am going to add that user. Alina, I will write tester and email. Roles. We can select the user don't have full access to the system, and administrator. I will select user and phone number. Okay, save. Okay, it's done. We have Alina in the table, and I will log out from my current account, and moreover Alina got an email. Let's check it. It tells that this email was used to create a new account. So Alina should complete registration by clicking this button. After clicking that button, we have a page which we use for creating password, and person who created account for Alina will not know this password. So I will put password and save it. Okay, sign in, and Alina can log in, and we will log in right now. Okay, Alina is not administrator. Alina is just user. So she has access only to the active season, and she don't have access to statistics page, to fields page, because Alina is just employee, and she should work only with active season. But we don't have active seasons right now. So that's it. Thanks for attention. Goodbye.